are you using?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like how many phones are you using to log in, sir? Online.
I don't know. Like I use one at a time.
How many phones have you used to log into your account? I think that's my question.
How many phones? I don't know. Like uh, I have, I don't know, but probably two different phones.
And what type of devices are you using to log in, sir?
What?
What type of phones are you using?
What type of phones do I use? I don't know. Like
Uh-huh.
it doesn't really matter. Like there's only two types of phones, right? There's iPhones and there's Android phones, right?
How about, I mean, you mentioned that you're using two phones. What types are those phones that you're using to log in?
Well, I can use an iPhone. You can use an Android phone, whatever, right?
What phones have you used, sir? So, yeah, I'm just asking you, what phones did you use to log in? Did you mention that you used two phones?
Well,
I'm not asking on what phones that you can use. I'm asking of the phones that you've used to log in already to your account.
well, I mean, I've been logging into my account for years, so I don't know, like probably 10 different phones, I guess. I don't know, maybe 12, right?
One moment here.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you, like your passport, driver's license, or state ID?
Yeah. Yeah, why?
So yeah, we need to do some additional verification by sending you a link through text where you can, take a photo of your ID.
I can't really hear you that well.
Okay, can you hear me better now?
Yeah, say it again.
So yeah, we will need to do some additional verification by sending you a link through text where you will need to take photo of your ID. It's either your driver's license, state ID, or a passport.
Uh, yeah, that doesn't sound right, man. This seems really strange. Like, uh, yeah, like you guys already have all my information, so it doesn't make any sense.
Well, we have your information, sir, but it's part of our verification process to make sure that we are speaking with you, for your security as well as for the bank. All right, if you're not comfortable doing it over the phone, you can step into a branch or a cafe to do the verification in person.
Well, yeah, that's what I've been to branches recently, and everything is fine. So.
All right. Yeah, you may need to step into a branch again. Are you near at the branch or a cafe?
Yeah. I mean, there's lots of branches, Capital One branches here.
All right, then you can go to a branch to do the verification, sir, so that we can assist you in lifting the restriction in your account.
All right.
All right. Do you have any questions or concerns?
That'll be it.
All right. Well, you have a great day ahead.